Another question I got a lot about Skyward was how to change the display options or show certain things and not show certain things. So that can be all done on the tab where it says display options. You can look at different options over here. You can do, first thing I want to show you is the assignment display. When you click on that, you can choose the date sequence, either oldest to newest or newest to oldest, however you want to do it. And there are 6 different options that Skyward already generated for you. That's one thing that you can use, or you can also do the show category color and assignment headings only. It's really up to how you want to show. I would really not mess around with what's on here because that's what Skyward already did it. And if you do the show comments for all assignment, it will be a lot of information on one screen. So for me, I wouldn't do it, but if you want to, you can look around and see what you want to pick and choose. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to save. Now, next option that you're going to look at a lot will be the grade period display. When you get there, for me, I like just seeing what's currently going on instead of the whole school year, but it's really it's really up to your preference. You can just do the progress report and report card 1 for the current display. And obviously the display will change as the year goes by because that's the default that we're going to be using according to where we are in the school year. So as of now, progress report 1 and report card 1 is obviously our default because we just started the school year. But if you want to display everything, you can click on everything, or you can click on just the current one, or it's really up to however you want to do it. For me, I will just keep it as just the current one. Save it, go back. And the other one, student display, it's really, again, up to you. I like last name being first, so I would do that. And you can also display the student ID if you want. If you don't want to, again, it's really up to you. And sort by the last name to first name, it's again, it's really up to however you want to do it. But this is the student display option that you guys can use. So if you look under display option, there are a lot of things going on. One thing I want to remind you again is do not use teacher's log option. Don't even click on it. We're not going to use it because district really was telling us not to use that part, just in case if anything we can pull as a legal document and they didn't want it from the teacher's log. And also, again, any comments that you guys are posting about the grades should be not personal. If you think it's going to be personal, please run through the admin. And I just thought about it because I saw the assignment comment bank. So please run through the admin if you are iffy about any comments. So if you guys have any other questions, please let me know.